Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a logo design for your channel. So, as you guys know, many of you might be having channels and you would like to have like a banner or a logo for your channel, but you don't know how to make it. So, I decided to make one of these designs in this video and I'll show you guys. So, I'll just make the outer boundary and everything, and your part is that you're supposed to be writing your channel's name in the center. So, I'll give you guys about 5 seconds. Please go get your markers and your paper ready. So I hope you guys will be back. So for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper. So while taking the picture, you guys can zoom it and take it. So I'm just going to be taking pink. If you guys want to use all your colors and rainbow things, you guys can take the white paper. But I'm just going to be making it with purple, blue, and pink, and light pink. So I'm just going to be using these colors, and I'll also be leading a little bit of black for making my color. I like these colors for making my logo. So you guys can use any color you'd like. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking the black marker and I'm going to be giving a small outline over here. So you guys won't be able to see the outline properly since my table is also in black. So I'll show you guys once I've completed doing this. So you guys can give the outline any color, but I prefer that if you do it in black, it will be looking more nice over here at the boundary. So I think you'll see it over here. So now I've completed giving the outline. So please do it perfectly or it won't look nice. So now I've completed, and as you guys see, I've completed the boundary. So now I'm just going to be starting with the design. So I'm taking a purple marker and I'm going to be doing a small design over here. So please make sure you give some space in the middle for writing your channel's name. So if you guys have any ideas for me to post in my channel, you can definitely comment in the comment box below and I'll post that video as soon as possible. So first I'm just going to be drawing a small circle over here, and one more circle at the bottom, and one over here and one over here. So I'm just going to be drawing the circle in all the 4 corners like this. So once you complete doing this step, I'm just going to be drawing small flower patterns over here. So I'm just going to be drawing 5 circle-like structures over here for the flower. So please do this slowly. So if you guys want, you can even do it 4, but if you do it 4, it'll be looking like a little bit more simple. But if you do it 5, I feel like it's more beautiful and nice. So now I've completed this one. So now after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a blue marker. So I'm just making it in my way. So if you guys want, you can make it more realistic because most flowers are not in purple. So if you guys want, you can do it in any color you like. Now I'm just going to be drawing some squiggly lines over here connecting these 2 flowers. And I'm going to be drawing one more over here connecting these 2 flowers. And one more over here connecting this one. So you guys can draw this slowly. So I'm just making it a simple way as I said. So now the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to be creating a small box over here to write the channel name, because if you do that, then you can do all the decoration around it. So I'm just going to be drawing a small line over here and one more line here, one here and one more here. So this might just look simple, but if you do more decoration, it will be looking really nice. So now I'm going to be taking the purple marker again, and I'm just going to be giving small like petal-like structures all around this. So you guys can do it in any design you like. So I'm going to be drawing one over here as well, and here. So please do this slowly like that. So now we've completed with this part. So now as you guys see, this blue might look like a little bit odd. So I'm just going to be giving it a little more bit touch over here. So I'm just going to be drawing one more small line like this connecting over here. So like it's just like one more boundary over here. So it's just going to be the same squiggly line on top of this one. So I'm just going to be doing this slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step over here on this side of the paper as well. So now I've completed with this outline. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking the pink color marker that I had at the beginning, and I'm going to be coloring in the middle part of the petal with pink color, so it's not really possibly visible. So I'm just going to be using markers for this craft. If you guys want, you can even take more things like that. Now I'm going to be drawing small circles over here inside of these blue lines, slowly like that. So like this, I'm going to be completing it over here. So please do this slowly. So I'm going to be doing it over here on this side as well. So it's actually really important for your banner or your logo. So it's really nice. If you do this, you can just zoom in and take a pic and you can upload it on your channel. Or you can even put more designs and you can use your own creativity to design this. I'm just giving you guys an idea and a creative outline for this. So now we've completed doing this part. So now I'm just going to be taking a light pink color marker and I'm just going to be coloring it in the outer boundary. So as you guys see, mine is also pink, but if you do this, this is like a different shade of pink. So it will be really visible, clearly visible like this. So now I'm just going to be coloring it in over here. So I'm cutting it over here as well. So you guys can even take this logo, and whenever you're going to be doing, you're taking a video for your channel, you can just take it over here on any side you like. It's just for your channel. You can even give it for promoting your channel. It'll be really nice. So keep it over here, you can do a different design. And you can just take a white shirt and you can stick it over here and it'll be really nice. After we complete doing this, you can do that. You can try sticking it. So now we've completed the pink color border and it really looks nice. Now I'm going to be taking a black marker that we had. And I'm going to put in one more outline over here on front of the blue. So we should not color the blue in too much. I'm just giving it a small outline. So this is just to make it nice and outstanding like that. So I'm just going to be giving it one more touch over here as well. And now we've completed. Now I'm just going to be giving a small design over here as well to make it more beautiful. So for this activity, I'm taking a pencil. And I'm just going to be putting small dots over here, 2 dots like that in the bottom part of the paper, 2 over here. And I'm going to be taking the dark pink marker. So please be careful while you're doing it. You can even use a pencil, because if you just do any flop like that, the whole thing will be ruined since we're using marker. And if you even put whitener, it won't look nice. So I'm just going to be putting one large dot over here like that, here. So now I'm just going to be putting one more dot over here on this side and one more over here. So now I'm just going to be putting these dots in such a way that it connects like from here to this point. This is just for decoration. So now it's like connected over here. I'm going to be putting the same step over here on this side as well. So you just put a dot, it will be like coming like that. So please do this slowly. So now I've come to the top part and I'm doing this. So you guys can do it any side you like. So as I said, I'm going to be giving you guys just an outline. You can do anything for your channel. You can put more decorations, gems and everything. So I prefer you guys do gems. So since we're having less time, I'm just going to make it simple. So if you put gems, it'll be really looking nice, since you're only going to be making one, and you can make it nice and creative. So now I'm just going to be using a marker and I'm going to be joining this over here. So like a circle. I'm going to be joining it slowly like that. Over here as well. So guys, if you're bored, you can even make it for other channels, and you can even make it for my channel. I appreciate it. So now I'm going to be joining these parts over here, and I'm going to be connecting it over here on all the sides. So if you've completed, and as you guys see, it's like looking like a really complicated thing to do, but if you guys followed along with me, you could have just got a perfect thing like that. Now the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking this black marker again, and I'm putting a small dot over here on the 4 sides to make it like look nice and bulgy, since it's like a given outline part. Now I'm just going to be taking a pencil and I'm coloring it in this part. So I'm just going to give it a slow shade like that. Do not put too much pencil shades. Without this inside part, I'm just going to be doing it here, and I'm using my hand to spread it out, so you might get like something on your hands like that, but it's just like to even everything out. So now we've completed with this part. So now I'm going to be taking one more color. If you guys have any color that you haven't used yet, you can use that. I'm just going to be putting small dots over here inside these petals, more slowly like that. So it's just for more decoration. The more you decorate, the more beautiful it will be looking. So now I'm going to be doing over here. I did really fast. You guys can do it slowly. So please follow along with me so that you get a perfect and cute output. So now we've completed, and I'm taking this pink marker again, and I'm just going to be giving a small shade. So please not put too much thickly. Just give it like a thin outline over here. Just give it like really slowly. Now you can give a thick outline over here on the back part, since we colored this in really nicely. So just give it a really thick one, and I'm just going to be coloring it in over here a little bit as well. So now we've completed the outer part. You guys can do any more decoration if you like. Now it's time for writing our channel's name here. So my channel's name is Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. So please subscribe if you haven't done it, and if you've forgotten. You guys can write your channel's name over here with any design you like. So I'm just going to be writing Aishu's at the top like this. I'll show you guys once I've completed. So I wrote Aishu's over here. So mine's not mirrored, so it'll be like this. So you guys know how to write, so you guys can write that. So now I'm writing Crafty and Kids over here, and Clubs at this last. So you guys, if you have 2 words or 2 letters or anything like that, you could just write it over here. If you want, you can write like this, and anything you like. I just made like in this way, like slanting. Now I'm going to be drawing, as you guys know, if you use a black pen for drawing, it will look more cuter. So I feel like it's more cute when you use a black pen. So now I'm just going to be drawing some small swirlies. I'll show you guys once I finished. So as you guys see, I just drew 2 flowers over here. I drew swirly and one more over here. Now I'm just going to be giving small dots all over here around this part like this. So now we've completed this, and I'm going to be taking a purple marker at last, and I'm just going to be giving small 2 dots over here, and I'm taking the next color marker and I'm giving 2 dots over here, and I'm taking the next color marker and I'm going to be giving 2 more dots, and at last I'm taking the blue marker and I'm going to be giving 2 more dots over here. So now we've completed, and I'm just going to take the pencil and coloring it a little bit and spreading. So you guys know the procedure by now. And I'm just going to be putting small dots all around this paper. And now after you complete this, our paper channel, banner or logo is ready. So one more thing is that you can take tape and you can just paste it over here on top, over here on your shirt or anything you're going to be using it. So you guys can even use the same shirt, white shirt, and use this while making videos. If you put tape, it'll be like more beautiful and fancier. So as you guys see, it's just simple. But if you put some tape, it'll be looking like really shiny and really nice. So after we complete this, our paper channel logo designing is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. So if you guys want more interesting videos like this, you can comment in the comment box, and I'll see the comments as soon as possible and I'll respond to them. So if you guys have any ideas for me to post on my channel, you can definitely comment that as well and check it out. I'll post that video in a few days or so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So thank you for watching this video, and share it to all your friends and family, and enjoy watching my channel, and keep continuing to watch my channel. And thank you for supporting me. Bye.